Hello, my name is Richard Zurat. I'm a Senior Development Engineer at the Vishay Precision Group. VPG is now working to further enhance the availability of Vishay bulk metal foil resistors by opening precision centers or mini manufacturing lines at the sites of major worldwide component distributors. These mini production lines or precision centers will be able to quickly build and ship VPG foil surface mount resistors of any conceivable value with no minimum quantities in 24 to 48 hours. Long delivery times and large minimum quantities are a thing of the past for special and standard ohmic values. Let me show you just what I mean. I have here a micro version of a precision center. I will use it to show just how fast and simple it is to build a VPG foil resistor to any custom or standard value. First, our resistor. The units are nichrome photo-etched serpentine images bonded onto ceramic substrates. Think of the image as a long continuous current path with shorting links. By removing some of the links, we can adjust the resistor to exactly any desired value within its overall resistance range. I have here an unadjusted VSMP 1206. Let's see if I can adjust this chip to some ridiculously complex and obviously non-standard value like 9.8765 k ohm plus or minus 0.01%. I've loaded the chip into the test fixture. Now I'm going to follow the computer's instructions and remove the shorting links I mentioned previously. I'm going to do this in a very prescribed fashion using a sharpened carbide probe while viewing the chip through this 30x microscope. Okay, the program is running. It has measured the starting value of the unadjusted chip and is instructing me to cut or remove link number 2. Let me go ahead and do that. Notice how the value changed and got closer to our desired value after I removed the link. The computer then remeasured the chip and gave me the number of the next link to cut. Let me continue the process until I've cut all the required links. Perfect. I have just adjusted this unit to exactly 9.8765 k ohm plus or minus a few ppm. The production operators are much faster than I am, but you get the general idea. After this, the resistor is covered with a protective overcoat, baked, rechecked for value, and visualed. Then it's on its way to the customer. The entire operation is simple and fast. Most resistor manufacturers will supply a few sample pieces, but only with standard values. When a slightly higher quantity is needed for prototypes, the customer must buy a full reel of resistors for each value. The Precision Center sets a new standard by shipping the exact number of resistors needed of precise value and tolerances required, and does so within a couple of days. For more information about our Precision Centers and their locations, go to our website. We also offer on-site technical seminars and demonstrations performed by our field design engineers. The Precision Center is the ideal quick source for small quantity prototype runs of custom and standard value resistors.